my name is Australia. So today I'm going to be telling about how an operating system works. So let's start. First of all, what is an operating system? An operating system is a laptop's main hold. It controls everything inside of a laptop, like the RAM and everything like that. It controls it and makes sure that it's in the right place. It is controlled by the CPU anyway, but it controls the laptop wholly, so that whenever we turn it on we see that our operating system or a random wallpaper thing comes out. We just have to enter a pin and then we go straight into the laptop. Here a code will be processed, and then all of the code will be, and the code and the information, it will be gone to the cloud, which will bring back more information and give out the output. As we put in the input, it'll give us the output. That is basically what is an operating system. And also, if you want to know more, it also is like a kind of, it also is a kind of, and better, it's a system that operates. It's literally in the name. And also it operates everything, every app, anything we install. It also operates our CPU, our GPU. It does not operate, but it controls and checks to make sure that they're not overrunning. Next, let me walk you slow back in time to the first computer ever made in the world. It's the late 90s in 1953. Now the first laptop has been made. It can hold up to 50,000 messages and everything that it goes up per second. This is considered very high quality at that time. But now in the modern day, it gives 34 trillion messages, outputs, inputs, and everything per second. So this is a very huge improvement from 5,000 to 34 trillion. This is a huge improvement for all the operating systems as we go on. The first operating system in this, they had to put cards with they put messages on them, and then they put them in here, and then it started to print it and go like that. As then with every passing year, as computers became faster and more brain developed, they became smarter, more developed, and better. There were some problems coming on. Since they now can hold so much data. At that time they were having so many issues that they have to write so many papers and then those things and then put them in for the computer to read it. But this will take too much time and lots of them, and they'll be slow again like they did last time. So a scientist came up with an idea. This idea is to write a code stating that input will be given. We will give the input, and then the output will come back to us. That's on the monitor. Like this, it is called an operating system. It operates the system and controls and manages everything to make sure that everything is fine, and that there are no lapses, there are no apps that can harm your PC or the operating system. They give multiple warnings, and they do everything for the safety of your laptop. Like this, in the modern day, they help a lot, and they put your privacy at 100%, and they make sure that like any other app or website that is fake and is trying to bribe your money, and you don't notice it, your operating system will alert you. which will make you close it. This way, you're protecting your informational data that is very private and your laptop from being hacked by other hackers out there. And this information we put in the output. Let me tell you again. We put in the input and then it shows us the output. Like when we click on the power button on our laptop / PC, we're putting an input and then it will come on, which is known as an output. And then when we open any other app, like Microsoft Edge or Chrome, we are clicking on it and then we are giving the input. We're giving the input. Then and it will give us back the output by coming onto the website and giving us everything. Like this code runs sending the cloud, not that cloud, a program cloud, everything, so that more information can be saved and it will become even more smarter and more efficient on your work. Thank you. If you like this video, bye.